So, welcome to today's how-to series. In each episode, I look at a given asana, a posture, and try and break it down for you so you understand what kind of poses you should be doing in order to one day hopefully master the peak pose. So in today's episode, I'm going to be taking you through how to come into ChinStand. So in ChinStand, I know it says ChinStand. Yes, we are sort of balancing on the chin, but what I really like you to try and remember is think 5% of the weight is on the chin and the rest of it is really through your arms. So really trying to work through the upper body strength here as well as your lumbar spine, your lower back, to kind of help you navigate to get up there. So let's come and meet on the mat, everyone.
When we are preparing for our chin stand, I would say one of the first poses that's quite helpful is mastering your CHATURANGA. So maybe start off with knees, chest, and option, and then when you build strength in the upper arms, then take it into your full CHATURANGA. I also have another tutorial on how to master CHATURANGA, which may be helpful for you if you are still working on this particular pose. In any case, the idea is to start to build strength here in your upper arms so that you get used to keeping your chest and your chin level with your hips as you lower down. The next pose I think is quite useful is one that helps strengthen your lower, middle, and upper back. Locust pose, SALABHASANA, helps us do this. Interlace your fingers and just lift your chest and your chin off the floor. Hold for a few breaths and then release. The next pose is one-legged chaturanga with knee on the mat variation. This pose is quite helpful. You can just stay for a few breaths here and then push back up if you would like. If not, just do your long holds here, but the idea is to keep that top leg lifted up all the way as you descend your chest and your chin. You should start to feel opening here through your chest and the leg. The next suggestion is your one-legged chaturangas. Keep your top leg lifted as you descend the shoulders to rest on the blocks for support here. Until you build the strength, you can then remove the blocks away. But this is a nice way just to get into the habit of descending down. Same thing here without the blocks. Keep your top leg lifted, bend the elbows close to the waistline and lower through. When your leg is elevated from high to low plank, you need to really start to work harder to keep your ribs drawn in and the abs active. When I first started, I used 2 blocks that I placed directly underneath my shoulders when I started to come up into ChinStand. I found this really helpful in supporting me with my upper body because I wasn't strong enough just yet to hold myself there. So I highly recommend this if you have 2 blocks. Do try it out. I think you might find it really helpful for you here. When you feel strong enough, you can also practice this up against the wall. Make sure you don't kick forcefully, just move in a controlled fashion and allow your legs to meet at the top. Make sure you take the time to really learn the fundamentals of this pose and don't rush into it. Enjoy the journey, everyone.
Thank you everyone for joining us in today's tutorial. I hope that you found it helpful. Remember to keep practicing and don't give up. If you've got any comments, just drop it right down below in the comment section and I'll be sure to respond to you. In the meantime, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're enjoying the episodes. Stay safe everyone, keep a happy mind and a happy heart. Namaste.